these we can't, so we've had to order up special anchor nuts.
Yeah.
Which are individual to that.
I see.
So the pitch for those has been done freehand. They don't line up with anything that we've got. In some cases it does.
So if they're all freehand, then they're all... Yeah.
Right, so you've got ribs.
Oh.
You've got spars. You've got edges, and there's a spar, so it's spar, full spar, rear spar, and then you've got ribs. It's not in yet.
No.
It's sitting around.
Yeah,
but
I'll
obviously
just...
when the screws go in,
it'll pull it tight, yeah.
But then we will put, on this structure, we will put a yellow additive on there that stops corrosion.
I see, yeah. Does it seal the dampness going in?
Yeah, it does to a certain extent. Obviously, not like a pressure washer or something.
No,
but it will seal, yes.
Yeah.
And that's how it's done. So all the way along, the whole story repeats, and say the hole that we had to put in wasn't very clear, like this one and that one.
Oh yeah.
We've missed it for a reason, because we're going to use what's called a blind hole finder, and that's a special plate with a leg on it that's 3/16 that will go behind that panel, find the 3/16.
Oh, I see.
And then you
the hole finder.
Then you drill the hole with it, and you find the hole. So that
the diameter of the hole, yeah.
And you put it in there. Just push them slowly together, and that's where the hole
is, and that's where the bush is. Yes.
And then you put another one in there, and that's how that would go. You know it's gone because it's not.
Yeah.
It's not gone anyway. So you think
usually it'd be the same diameter.